You're watching a recap from Investor XP, the show that covers investing for gamers. Check out the video description for details. It is Tuesday, May 30th, and we got a great show for you today. Here's what we got coming up if you're watching live. We're going to be talking about Nintendo stock. A couple of stories we got for that where we think we have some catalysts for growth. Nutanix, the cloud computing service, we're going to talk about that. We had some viewer questions regarding that. We're going to talk about food stocks for gamers and kind of whittle down our picks as we've been going through the last week of what we're going to invest in. So each of those will have their own video posted today in the recap. Let's go ahead and get started. So all last week we did articles of where we're looking at possible fast food companies for gamers to invest in. And we had some very interesting picks there that we were taking a look at, and today we're going to kind of narrow it down even further. I don't know if I've got my solid picks yet. I may add a couple of them to what we're looking at. So of all the companies we talked about last week, the most interesting, I narrowed it down to two of them. The first being McDonald's. McDonald's with their technology that they're going to be implementing to the store and their rewards program that they're coming up with. A lot of people think this is going to go to 170. We like it because it's a large, solid company with a good dividend yield, and we think they'll be able to leverage their rewards program and technology to boost them. McDonald's is a staple for people to eat at. I think certainly with their new offerings that they have, the all-day breakfast was a great idea, and they're kind of revamping their food, healthier, a little more high-end, non-pink slime stuff. So we like them. We think there's some more growth potential for McDonald's. Very safe play. The other one that we're looking at is Texas Roadhouse, and that is a little more upscale restaurant compared to a McDonald's, and don't know how many gamers are actually going to Texas Roadhouse, but Texas Roadhouse is constantly packed, and you never walk away with a bad meal as far as I've heard from anyone. Certainly when I've gone there, it's never happened. They are a little more opportunity for growth domestically. Certainly they can open up a lot more restaurants as they're not as saturated as a McDonald's is. And they pay a decent little dividend, 1.7%. So we liked both of those. I'm going to add those both to our spec list for stocks that we're going to take a look at as potential buys and watch them a little bit closer in the future. Now let me pull up what we're looking at right now. We track our viewer picks, our spec picks, all of that. So on our spec list, we got Nokia, Cisco, EA, Nvidia, Tencent. We really like Tencent. That was a viewer pick. I've since stolen it for us to watch to buy. So we'll put them on here as well, McDonald's and Texas Roadhouse, and we'll see where they go. In June, we'll be buying up some more stock as we buy monthly here. Could be a McDonald's. It'll be one on our speculation list. I think. I don't plan on buying more on what we've got in our portfolio just yet, unless I really see a nice opportunity. So McDonald's and Texas Roadhouse is who we're looking at right now, and I think either one is a pretty good buy with some upside to it. So let us know what you think of those picks to add as possible investments in the near future for us to add to our kids' portfolio. Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Contact the show. You can tweet us, email us, watch us live. Info is on the screen behind me. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already so you get the latest investing news for gamers. Really appreciate all the subscriptions and the growth of the channel. We really want to continue to grow a community where people who normally wouldn't invest, they get some gaming news and they start learning about investing. Especially you seasoned investors, love the posts, the comments on the videos. Really want to hear your take on some of it, whether your trade, long-term investing, what your strategies are. I really want to see new investors start to see what some of the things that you guys do. Really appreciate it. So thanks for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.